what is Zapier integration? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see what Zapier integration is. So let's check it out. So you have to automate your different applications or your workflow using Zapier, and you can just simply open up Zapier. After that, you need to create a Zap, and using Zap you can create different commands for the application that you want to automate using Zapier. And what you have to do is just simply plan out whatever you want with your application, whether you want the personalized emails to be sent out to your customers, you want to capture the leads, or want to close more deals. Just simply tell whatever you want to do, then select the relevant application for it. You can connect as many as 6,000 applications with Zapier. So just simply connect the application of your choice, and after that you need to just simply drag and drop that particular application, and this way you would be able to visualize the workflow that you want to automate. And after that you just need to integrate your application and select more steps, like what are the actions that you want to take up. And after automating all the actions that you have been doing yourself, you would be able to integrate that particular application quite easily with Zapier, and you would be able to automate the workflow that you earlier used to do manually. So this way you would be able to integrate different applications, and this is what the Zapier integration is all about. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.